Namaste. I'm again back with another episode of microlearning. Microlearning means bite-sized learning, which means within 3 minutes you learn one byte of skill. And this series of microlearning is based on the interactive lectures online.
Signposts are actually the verbal sense of direction to the students delivered by the faculty in the class, which enables the students to perceive the new information and that can deepen their learning. It also helps the students to stay on track, and every faculty member should have good number of signposts in their kit. Here I have compiled 4 different types. When a faculty wants to stress the purpose of the lecture, he can use these oral signposts like the purpose of this lecture is, the aim of this lecture is, the goal I hope to accomplish in this lecture is. Likewise, there are many more the faculty can prepare. When the faculty wants to talk about the structure of the lecture, he can use, in today's lecture I will focus on 3 main points. In today's lecture we will consider 5 main events associated with. In our time together we will consider 3 potential solutions to the problem X. And in this lecture we will consider 3 effects of X on Y. When the faculty wants to highlight the main point of the lecture, he can use, don't forget that, I will highlight, I want to stress. The important point here is, the critical point is, the most essential point is, the fundamental point is, and we should bear in mind that. These all oral signposts will help the students to stay on track. And when the faculty wants to highlight the background knowledge of the students, or if he wants to provide the background knowledge, he can start with these signposts like, as we know, as we have seen, as you have read since our last session, we all understand, you will remember. These signposts help the students to perceive the information which is being delivered in the class, and at the end there can be conclusion of the lecture. That's all for this bite-sized learning. We'll see you soon in the another episode of microlearning.